you all doing? So, in today's video, I will be reviewing Garnier Micellar Milky Cleansing Water. Okay, this product is actually, I think I've been using it for, oh my goodness, for more than a year now. Yeah. But this is a requested video. You'll be asking me what I use, the micellar water that I use. Okay, sometimes when I reply to your messages, you still want me to review it. I don't know why. It's like you don't believe me that that's what I use. I've always been clear about the skincare products that I use. I've always been open about it. So I'll be reviewing this product. So I will basically tell you what I think about it, and I'll tell you how to use it. For those of you that have not used micellar water before and that doesn't, can you hear that cow mooing? So I live in the countryside. Yeah, so I'll be telling you what micellar water is and what exactly does it do to your skin. Why it's very necessary that you should incorporate it into your skincare routine and how to use it. So you're going to see a demo in this video on how I use my micellar water. Okay. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I am really glad to have you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay, this video is about product review and it's one of the things I do on this channel. My name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician and I talk about skincare, everything skincare in this channel, basically how to take care of your skin. Okay, so if you like what you're watching and wants to become part of this channel, so you click the subscribe button and subscribe, the red button that says subscribe. Please help me click the like button and like this video, and also help me share it if you like it and you think there's someone that benefit from it. You help me share it. Thank you so much. Now the product review. Today's review is Garnier Micellar Milky Cleansing Water. I definitely prefer this particular one. Garnier has other types, but this is the one that is good on my skin. It hasn't caused me any problem or any irritation. Okay, now for those of you that don't know what micellar water is, so micellar water is basically tiny micelles that helps to dissolve dirt, oil, impurities from your skin, and what it doesn't, by doing that, doesn't irritate your skin and doesn't even more like hydrate your skin. So I will put it this way. You know how when you're cleaning, you spray your cleaning detergent on the dirt that you want to wipe off, and then you allow the cleaning detergent to dissolve the dirt a little bit before you now easily wipe it off, so you don't have to scrub, because if you don't use cleaning detergent, you have to spend too much time and spend more energy in cleaning the dirt in your home. So this is what micellar water does to your skin. So it helps to dissolve all the dirt, it helps to dissolve all the excess oil, impurities, makeup, especially when it comes to cleaning makeup. Yeah, that is why I really love using micellar water. Now, one other thing I love about it is it's very gentle on your skin. So in as much as it's a cleanser on its own, but it's different from your traditional facial cleanser. Okay, because it's more gentle and it doesn't irritate the skin at all. Okay, it does not irritate the skin at all. And the good news is all skin types can use it. Sensitive skin, dry skin, combination skin, oily skin can use it. Okay, now I use my micellar water mainly in the morning, and the reason is because when you wake up in the morning, your skin is not that dirty, except you didn't bath last night, which is a bit strange. Everyone needs to bath before they go to bed. Yes, because your skin has accumulated a lot of dirt and impurities the rest of the day. So the best thing you can do to your skin is to treat it right, bath and lather and layer all your skin with all the all the goodies, all your skincare products, because skincare product works much better at night. Okay, so when I wake up in the morning, my skin is not that dirty. So that is when I use my micellar water. So watch the video on how I use my micellar water. I hope you like it. So basically, I hope you enjoyed the video, watching the video. So basically, you use it in the morning. You don't need to rinse it off. You put yours, just like the video showed, put your other skincare product afterwards. Micellar water is really good because it actually helps to draws out all the clogging pores. Because a lot of acne breakouts that we get and a lot of skincare issues that we get is as a result of clogged pores that gets infected by bacteria and then comes out as acne. So when you treat your skin in the morning with micellar water before you now put your other skincare products, it will help to draw out all the clogging pores and more like hydrate your skin, because it does hydrate the skin. Okay, so about this Garnier Milky cleansing micellar water, I really like it, and the reason is because I've been using it for almost a year now. It doesn't irritate my skin. It keeps my skin really hydrated. As you can see in the video, after using it, my skin looks really hydrated and glowing. Okay, so yeah, I do recommend it, and this is the one I use. for those of you that wants to know. This is the micellar water that I use. Okay, so if you like it, you can get yours, this particular one. And this one is actually very good. And the reason is for dry and sensitive skin, but there are other ones for different skin types. But I bought the dry and sensitive skin because anything that has to do with dry and sensitive skin will not irritate your skin, and this is why I bought it. Okay, I hope you like this video, and make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and help me share it. Also press the like button and like it. Thank you so much. Remember, treat your skin right and your skin will treat you right. Mwah.